Kia ora e hoa, welcome back. I'm Sasha, and today I'm going to teach you something that is pretty cool. In skipping, there are lots of different moves and lots of different categories. One of those categories is called power moves, and I'm going to teach you a very basic power move to start with. It's called the push-up. Bet you've never thought about doing a push-up with a skipping rope before. Here we go. Okay, we're in starting position. Hands out in front. Let's have a look at what it looks like first. We're going to do a basic jump. Come down to the ground. Step or jump our feet back. Step or jump our feet forward, and then sweep the rope under our feet. Okay, let's have a go at that. Starting position. One basic bounce. Come forward. See that loop that the rope's making in front of me? That's what we want to try get. Place the hands on the ground. Don't let go of the handles. Just put the hands on the ground. Step or jump the feet back into a push-up position. Then jump or step the feet back. As we come up, we're going to sweep the rope underneath our feet and toe catch. And there you go. That's your very first power move. It's called the push-up. Keep practicing it, and then I'll see you in the next video. Ka kite anō.